What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing review video. This time of a very special model and interesting, I would say, a unique model. We have this Aeroflyer Boeing 737-600, registration Charlie-Golf Kilo Foxtrot Papa. This is an airline that is relatively new. It's a charter company based in Canada. So Kelowna Freight Aerospace, a company that does aircraft maintenance, leasing, that sort of stuff, based in Kelowna, recently started this leisure charter airline, Aeroflyer, using old WestJet 737-600s. And they have two of them currently in their fleet. They have Foxtrot Papa and Foxtrot Quebec. So they're based out of Kelowna, BC, and Calgary, Alberta, and they're just going to be doing various charter flights domestically and internationally, whether that's for tourism or leisure, or with the government, if there needs to be the movement of miners or something, that sort of stuff. They're going to be chartering flights around Canada and potentially into the US as international flights. So a very sort of unique aircraft to get. I believe this is my first I think this is the first 737-600 in my fleet. And I don't even have a WestJet 737-600 yet. I'm hoping NG will release one of those in the future. I know Panda did, but I never got to pick that one up, unfortunately. But yeah, this one is, as far as I'm aware, is an old WestJet 737-600 that has been repainted for the Aeroflyer livery. I think it's a very unique livery too. This sort of box art kind of shows it off in terms of the tail, which has all these various aircraft just kind of positioned on it, and I think it's kind of cool. This is a very unique sort of livery, and it looks pretty cool. Again, I just picked this up not because it flies to LA or whatnot, but but just to have it as my fleet as a new Canadian airline. So yeah, here's the box, looking really nice. NG did this, I don't remember which month, but yeah, really cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up. First 737-600 in the collection. Alright, looking really nice. A small aircraft. It's the shortest of the bunch, the most, or the least popular of the 737 aircraft family. The next generation, should I say. 700, 800, 900 being a whole lot more popular than this 600. WestJet was the only one only one in North America that I know of that operated it, and up to pretty recently before they retired all of them. But yeah, so here we have the model, looking really, really nice, very small. And yeah, so let me just adjust the camera here real quick. There we go. Alright, let's take a look. So we have Aeroflyer. I'll zoom in here. Forgive me for that noise, I'm not sure what that banging is. But yeah, here we go. So we got the cockpit windows. Also, this 737-600 model is new for NG. They recently developed this, or got this out and into production. So yeah, it's really nice for a 737-600 model aircraft from NG2. So we got the nose and cockpit windows and everything looking really nice there. Gears looking pretty good. Looks at the proper height and everything. Gear doors looking really nice as well. There's 60, looks like 601, if that's what that says right there. Again, another, I guess, like a fleet number or something. Yeah, it looks like it says 601. But yeah, so then here we have the L1 door, and KF, yeah, you see KFAeroflyer.com, Aeroflyer livery, the black and the blue. Looking really nice. Got the engines with KF on it there. Kelowna Freight Aerospace. So livery, you got the CFM engines looking really, really nice. The wings, very nice as well. No flex or anything. 737-600s, as far as I'm aware, there's none with winglets. So they're all just non-winglet aircraft. You got the antenna on the top there, you got the Wi-Fi box at the back there, and then you have the registration and Boeing 737-600 right here. You got the Canadian flag. And then you have this beautiful tail with all these various aircraft on it. As you can see, looks like we got like a A340, some sort of private jet, an A380 potentially, and something else. Not sure what that other one would be. Another 4-engine jet, but yeah, it looks really unique. Very cool. So yeah, you got the antenna at the bottom too, right here. Looking really nice, and some other antennas at the back right there looking really good. The gears looking really nice as well. Take a look on this side here now. The only difference is you got the baggage doors right there at the front, and the little one there at the back. Looking really nice. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of dirt right there, but that's fine. So a little piece of something right there on the gear door that looked like it was there's an issue with the paint for a second, but overall looking really, really nice. A very simple model, but I love the livery, the black, the blue, and that sort of tail. This tail with this these aircraft on it is very unique and really cool. So I hope to see this in person someday. I'm sure it's going to be around for a while. They have 2 aircraft right now. They're going to get more going forward. But yeah, so here we have it. The Aeroflyer 737-600 by NG Models. Very nice model. For any of the Canadian collectors, I'd recommend picking this up. If anyone's looking for just a 737-600 by NG, this is a cool one to pick up. I know they've got some other models, other airlines released with this mold, but yeah. Anyways, guys, I think that's going to do it for this this aircraft model review. Hope you all enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more model unboxing videos, plane spotting videos, etc. And y'all have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.